Good day, everyone. This is the second part of our hi-hat sound techniques in FL Studio. Now open the hi-hat sample in the piano roll so you can listen to the sound. Click the hi-hat sample in the channel rack, then look for these two knobs on the right side. Turn these two knobs to achieve the sound you want. Press the comma key next to the M key on your keyboard to hear the sound, while you turn the knob and adjust the other settings. You can also set this drop-down setting below these two knobs to get other types of sounds. Test everything to get the sound you want. That's it for now, thank you.